Hello everyone, today we are here with another exciting opportunity, which is the UNESCO Youth Leadership Workshop 2020 in South Korea. And this is a fully funded program, so let's get into the details. So guys, this workshop opportunity is provided and organized by UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. And the main purpose and aim of this workshop is to gather the dynamic youth around the world and give them a platform to identify the strategies to develop the Sustainable Development Goals. I think this is one of the best leadership programs where young people like you can meet and greet and share their ideas and work together to drive changes toward a culture of peace at various levels. Also, you do not need any kind of IELTS or TOEFL for this South Korean leadership program. So, the host country is South Korea, as you all know, and the host location is Seoul, which is the capital city of South Korea. The program duration is 1 week. Yes, the workshop program duration is 1 week. And the program dates are from 25th May to 31st May 2020. This is fully funded program and you will get accommodation, meals and local transportation, also the international airfare. Also, you will get a certification of completion at the end of the program. The eligibility criteria, the most important thing, you should be born between 1992 to 2001, which means you should be 19 to 28 years old, okay? You should be 19 to 28 years old, not less than that. Number 2, you should have a 2 years active experience in youth and volunteering activities. And it's good to have their certifications of completion as well. Number 3, you should have completed the Global Citizens Education course from GCED online campus. The link is given in the description below. If you go to that link, this kind of page will appear. This is the course you have to complete by 9 March 2020. Okay? You can register yourself here to complete this course by 9 March 2020 because this is one of the requirements to apply in Leadership Workshop South Korea. And the next thing, you should be proficient in spoken and written English. Okay, so all of the UNESCO member state countries can apply to this program. This table is given which shows all of the member states, UNESCO member states. Pakistani citizens can also apply to this program. Yes, if you're a Pakistani native, you can apply to this program. Moving on to the selection process. Alright, so number 1, you have to fill the application form, the online application form. Alright. Number 2, if you're selected, then an invitation letter will be sent to you by 26th March 2020. Number 3, after being selected, you have to register yourself on their website by 27th March 2020. And if you do not register yourself or late register yourself, this may cancel your participation. How to apply for UNESCO Leadership Program in Korea? You have to fill in the online application form. Scrolling down, the 2 buttons are given as usual, official link and the apply now button. If you click on apply now, you will get a form like this. If you click on next, click again on next. And this is the actual application form. This is a really simple Google form you have to fill. So you can easily fill this form in. The last thing is the deadline. So the deadline, the last date is 17th March 2020. I repeat, the deadline is 17th March 2020. So hurry up and apply to this program before 17th March 2020 because I think this is one of the best leadership workshops in the world. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing opportunities. Also like our Facebook page for daily updates of new opportunities. Also, you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description below. Thank you.